Thanos snapped half the universe out of existence. But Marvel's next villain, he does not want balance. He wants control, absolute control. And if the rumors and teasers are true, Doctor Doom might be more dangerous than Thanos ever was. Here's why fans are going insane right now. Let's be honest, Thanos was not just a villain, he was an event. From Infinity War to Endgame, he broke the Avengers, killed major heroes, won on screen, and forced the MCU into its darkest timeline. He had power, he had the Infinity Stones, he had conviction. But here's the difference Thanos needed the gauntlet, Doctor Doom does not. Doctor Doom, aka Victor Von Doom, is not just muscle. He is one of the smartest humans in Marvel history, a master scientist rivaling Reed Richards, a powerful sorcerer trained in dark mysticism, the ruler of his own nation, Latveria. He blends technology and magic, something almost no MCU villain has mastered at this level. He does not chase power, he builds it. With Avengers Doomsday officially in development, Marvel insiders and directors have hinted at something darker, more complex, more morally grey. Because Doom is not chaos, he is calculation. And here's where things get explosive. When Robert Downey Jr. was linked back to the MCU, but not as Iron Man, fans went crazy. Why? Because some theories suggest Doom could mirror Tony Stark, a genius, a futurist, a man who believes he alone can save the world. But what happens when that mindset turns authoritarian? Suddenly, this is not just a villain, it's a philosophical threat. Let's break down it. Thanos sought balance, used cosmic artifacts, was driven by twisted logic. Doom seeks dominance, has political power, controls armies, masters science and magic, thinks he is humanity's savior. Thanos destroyed half the universe. Doom could rule all of it. And the scariest part, he might actually succeed. After mixed reaction to recent MCU phases, fans have been craving stakes, real danger, real consequences. If Doom is written correctly, Marvel could return to that Infinity War level tension. Darker tone, more serious storytelling, less jokes, higher emotional cost, and early buzz suggests that's exactly what's coming. In the cosmic, Doom has stolen cosmic powers, ruled entire realities, outwitted gods, defeated the Avengers, even reshaped existence during secret wars. He's not just another villain of the week, he's a long game threat. If Marvel plans to build him over multiple films, we could be looking at the next 5 to 10 years of MCU storytelling. Right now, fans are debating, is Doom replacing Kang as the saga villain? Is this Marvel's reset button? Is this the return of peak MCU? Some fans are cautious, some are hyped beyond belief, but everyone agrees on one thing. If they nail Doom, this changes everything. Thanos attacked from the outside, Doom could attack from within. Politically, strategically, emotionally. He is not a monster, he is a ruler, and rulers are harder to defeat than warlords. Marvel does not need a bigger explosion than Thanos. It needs a smarter threat, a villain who does not just punch heroes but challenges their ideology. And that's why Doctor Doom might be the most dangerous villain the MCU has ever faced. So tell me, is Doctor Doom truly more dangerous than Thanos? Or is this hype too early? Comment below, like if you are excited, subscribe if you want more Marvel breakdowns, and stay tuned because the next chapter of the MCU might be its darkest yet. Powered by Action Marketing.